Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix railway login problems, workspace and billing errors step by step clearly. If you're encountering login problems with railway, particularly with workspace and billing errors, you're in the right place. First, ensure that you are using the correct login credentials. Check your email address for any typos or mistakes. Next, verify your password. Make sure caps lock isn't turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, try logging in again with your new credentials. If the login still fails, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored data can lead to unexpected login issues. Next, try using a different browser or an incognito window. This can help determine if the issue is browser-related. If you are still unable to log in, check if you're using a VPN. Some VPNs can interfere with authentication processes. Temporarily disable the VPN and attempt to log in again. If the problem persists, visit Railway's status page to check for any ongoing outages. An outage could affect your ability to log in. If everything appears normal, head to the Railway support page. Look for any specific guidance related to workspace or billing errors. You might find troubleshooting steps tailored to your issue. If you still need assistance, consider reaching out to Railway's customer support directly. Provide them with detailed information about your issue. This includes any error messages you've encountered. They will be able to assist you further in resolving the problems. By following these steps, you should be able to address your railway login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.